Nearly a kilometer underground. It's hot, damp, and hard to breathe. Miners in the town of Hirske in eastern Ukraine's Luhansk region dig for coal with antiquated machines. The work is painfully slow. Their pneumatic drills are much like the ones used in the Soviet era.
Везде сила нужно перетянуть что-то. Вот решталь, допустим, 250 килограмм весит. Вот потянете? Нет, интересно.
Above ground, the Luhansk region has been torn apart by the conflict with Russia-backed separatists. Hirske remains under government control, but the miners are struggling just to make ends meet. Unpaid wages led to a string of protests over the summer. Miner Hori Goncharenko receives coal for heating as part of his wages. But he doesn't know if he'll be able to pay his electricity bill. His wife Halina said the family fled from the fighting just a few kilometers from Hirske. They were able to return to their hometown this year with their two young children. The average monthly salary is about $200, and with a slow rate of production, that's unlikely to change.
Самое больше мы прошли стахановским методом в сечении 15 квадрат, 25 метров за месяц.
А могли бы комбайном?
Ну, комбайном, это средние темпы комбайна 120-150 метров, средние.
The accessible coal seams at the Hirske mine produce less and less. In order to find new deposits, the company needs large investments for making new tunnels.
Двухметровый пласт высокого качества, хорошая зола, который очень необходим, можно сказать, нашей стране.
Ukraine has had to import coal to meet its energy needs, which frustrates the miners. They would rather see their own operations modernized. Technical director Andrei Zaschuk says the mine holds at least 1.5 million tons of coal, enough to keep the operation running for at least 5 years. But he says the company can't attract investment when an armed conflict is underway nearby.
Как вы думаете, кто вложит деньги в наш район? Я думаю, ни один нормальный человек сюда деньги не будет вкладывать, потому что здесь нестабильная обстановка.
During the worst fighting in Luhansk, displaced people fled to Hirske from areas seized by separatists, looking for a better life and doubling the population. But if coal production does not improve, many could see their life there go up in smoke.